I will presentation PT Naga Dewi Sejahtera Work Program. What is a work program? A work program, or also call it an activity agenda, is a plan of organization activity that is prepared for the certain period of time and has been agreed upon by all company management. Work program are also structured is such a way to benefit the company. Prepare work program to activate target upgrade upon by company leadership. 1. Determine clear objective, agree the product to be promoted. C. 2. Write down and mention goal activate. 3. Determine the target time. 4. Make a list of the company and progress. Planning make analysis to find out the company conditionally who is responsibility for carrying out its tasks. In other words, define the text and provide a description of each one. Only by creating a work program you are learning one step ahead of other people and learning one step towards success. Thank you. Okay, any question?
Activity plan and activities with the work program.
Thank you for your uh, question. Activity plan is accorded with the program work. Is affected the planning stage, implementation stage, and the post-implementation stage.